Japanese style fried fish sandwich. We're using some nice halibut. Gonna breadcrumb that, fry it off nice and crispy. I'm gonna make a nice scallop ceviche to go on top of that with some beautiful herbs, lemon juice, garlic, yeah, with some egg mayonnaise, a bit of salad. This is gonna be one fantastic sandwich. Keep tuned. Here we go. Let's do the scallop ceviche to go with the sandwich. Check it out down here. Here I have some coriander, basil, Italian parsley. Just chop them up. Okay, into a bowl. Scallops just cut into small pieces like that. 1, 2, 1, 2. About 9 little pieces, one scallop. Put them in the herbs. Season this with salt and pepper, olive oil, just coat it, lemon juice, squeeze it in. A little crushed garlic. Yeah, just about half a clove there. Give it a little mix. Very simple. Olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper, herbs, garlic. Let's fry the fish. Get your oil nice and hot. Fish is over here, ready, breadcrumbed, looking delicious. And here we go. Gonna do a doubler. Doesn't take long because it's quite thin, you know, fish. Let's turn it over about 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Get a double. One of these probably be the easier way. Doubler. 2 of these fish slices, turn it over. Always do it away from you. Guide one back in. Whoa! Woo! You know the best day for this kind of dish?
Friday.
Because?
It's Friday.
Day. They ray. Day. Fish slice 2 at a time underneath. Bit of drainage. Tray. Gas off. There you go, look at that. Perfectly golden brown. Let's put this fried fish sandwich together. It's all been cooked and prepared. Here we go. Got myself some nice ciabatta bread. Let's go down. It's beautiful toasted ciabatta from down the road. Starting off with Japanese mayo. This is our egg mayo. All the fried fish sandwiches here in Japan, they have a little bit of egg mayonnaise on the bottom. I think it's brilliant. I love it. Yeah. And then a little bit of finely sliced cabbage. Goes well with fried food. You know that. I know that. We all know that by now. Then some Japanese style Kushi Katsu sauce. Good for fried food. Gonna dribble a little bit of that on top of these, like that. A little bit. Then our first piece of fried fish going down. Look at that. A little bit more sauce. Just a little bit. And then our second piece of fried fish going down on top of that. Doosh. And on top of these two bits of fried fish, we're going some Scallop Ceviche. Let's pile that on top of this. We're going double with the fish. We're not holding back on the ceviche. It's all going on pretty much. And then let's put on its happy hat. Hooray day. Look at that beauty. Cross section, here we go. On an angle this time. Woohoo! Holy fried fish on Fridays. Look at that. She looked real good. The spectacular fried fish sandwich. Japanese style. Egg mayonnaise there. Slightly sticky eggs. 2 layers of fried fish with some Kushi Katsu sauce on there. Then the Scallop Ceviche on there as well. It's just looking really good. It's time to put that in my mouth. Let's consume this delicious looking fella. All right, ready?
Ready.
Oh. Top. Top level flavor in there, man. Different kinds of textures, amazing flavor throughout. That is a class act of fish cookery in a sandwich. Come on. Here we go. One more bite. Give that a go. Cheers. Enjoy cooking. Enjoy watching the vids. Bye.